Hi class, this is the fourth video of our midterm 2 sample test. Question 16. To help finance a major expansion, Castro Chemical Company sold a non-callable bond several years ago that now has 20 years to maturity. This bond has a 9.25% coupon paid semi-annually, sells at a price of $1,100. And has a par value of 1,000. If the firm's tax rate is 40%, what is the component cost of debt for use in the WACC calculation? Okay, so we're looking for component cost of debt here. Okay, and we already know years to maturity, we know the coupon rate. Again, note that this 9.25% should be the annual nominal coupon rate, even though this coupon is a semi-annual coupon. Okay, the given rate is usually nominal annual. The price of the bond is 1100. Par value is 1,000. Tax rate 40%. Okay, so let's look at the solutions here. Okay, so again, the coupon rate is 9.25%. So the payment, okay, the payment we should put as PMT in the calculator should be the coupon rate, which is 9.25%, multiplied by the par value, which is 1,000, divide by 2. So we have the semi-annual coupon payment as 46.25. Okay, and our N should be 2 multiplied by 20 years, which should be 40 half years. Our present value should be the bond price, but it has to be a negative input. We have to input negative 1100 because this is our cost. This is the money you need to pay to purchase the bond today. And our future value should be par value, which is 1,000. Okay, and our after we input these four values, we can compute for I/Y. So we know the semi-annual rate is 4.11%, or the semi-annual yield to maturity, or semi-annual cost of debt. Okay, then we need to multiply by 2 to get before tax cost of debt, which is 8.22%. And note that, again, we're looking for component cost of debt we use for WACC calculation. So it should be after tax cost of debt that we're looking for. So we need to use this 8.22% multiplied by 1 minus tax rate, which is 40%. So we have 4.93% as our final answer. So for this question 16, our final answer should be option 4B. Okay, we should choose option B here, 4.93. Question 17. This firm hired you to help estimate its cost of capital. You obtained the following data: D1, P0, G, and F. What is the cost of equity raised by selling new common stock? Okay, so cost of equity for new stock. We have to use this flotation cost added into our constant growth model for estimating R. Okay, let's look at the solution here. For a regular constant growth model, we know that RE, or cost of equity, it equals D1 over P0 plus G. Right? The original model is that P0 equals D1 over R minus G. So R should be D0, original, okay? Or cost of debt or equity for common stock should be D1 divided by P0 plus G. Okay, so cost of equity for a new common stock would have to add the flotation cost here. Okay, we know that the stock price will be depreciated or will decrease because of the new issue. So P0 should multiply 1 minus flotation cost. Okay, and because all these variables are given, P1, P0, G, and F are all given, so we plug the numbers into this formula, we should have the cost of debt equity for new common stock, which is 9.43%. So the right answer should be C here. All right, so that's all for our sample test.